Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a very useful do-it-yourself project for the home that you can make from a broken mixer. So let's start disassembling it. Unscrew the 3 screws and remove the motor from the housing. You need to disconnect the wires with the board from the motor. Next, use a screwdriver to disconnect the brushes. You won't need brushes for your do-it-yourself project, since the motor shaft turns much easier without them. Now, you need to disconnect the 3-leaf springs from the housing that holds the motor. Remove the motor and its stator, as it's unnecessary for the do-it-yourself project. Next, place the rotor back into the housing. No need to secure the rotor with springs yet, just hold it in place by hand. In the bushings that hold the gear, you need to drill out the hole with a 6mm drill bit. Insert 6mm bolts into the bushings, add regular washers, then lock washers, and tighten the nuts. Drill a hole in the bushings and insert cotter pins to keep the bolts from turning inside them. Using pliers, you need to bend the cotter pins so they don't fall out. Now remove the rotor and weld an L-shaped handle to it. You don't need to remove the bushing from the rotor. This is how it turned out for me. Next, you need to drill 2 holes in the motor housing. Off camera I made this kind of bracket. Now I need to attach the motor housing to it. It is fastened with 2 bolts, and make sure to use washers with lock washers. At this point, you can insert the rotor into the housing and secure it with springs. Attach the tube to the handle and tighten the nut. Off camera, I made this part. It can be screwed onto any of the screws. Next, you'll see how all of this will work. The second part I made is a small bracket with 2 slots, and the last part is this kind of skewer. Now let's test the homemade device. The mixer is attached to one side of the grill and the bracket with 2 holes is on the other. Next, the skewer is attached to all of this. Now by turning the handle, the skewer will smoothly rotate over the grill. The height of the skewer can be adjusted using the holes on the bracket and the second screw on the mixer motor. Now let's light the grill and try to cook something. Skewer, stability. The little one doesn't work obviously. No one watched the water with friend's feet. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye everyone.